Hey, hold on. This shit a workout too, nigga, on the low.
Nigga, what if we had to survive like this, bitch? Couldn't make it. What if we had to go down to the warm states, nigga? We couldn't make it. You know
Well,
what I'm
I gotta
saying?
keep walking.
Can't drive this shit.
Hold on. See that, you know? I'm about to take a picture.
Come through, baby. Peace out. For a couple of bitch out here.
Hold on. See that, nigga?
It ain't cold out here though.
And they ain't never gonna be cold when it's snowing. We in the building.
CEO, C, nigga.
How that work?
Hey, I'm trying to tell y'all niggas, we going hard this year.
Super hard, nigga.
It's not a game. Hey,
Bitch, yeah, what's out? You know what I'm talking about? Look at this shit.
here, nigga.
Look,
Look at my nigga. And that nigga about
shit,
6'4". Look, come on, man.
Come on, y'all. What it is? Hey, what up, baby? What up, everybody? Final call, aka Southside, baby.
You know what I'm saying? Talk to the sippy and the
What it
people,
is?
man. Let them know what
It's
you out
this,
here
it's
doing,
this
man.
Southside. This how we get it going in that snow, man. This final calls all day, man. Look at this shit. Look at this. Look at that fucking mailbox and everything. Look at everything. Look at everything. Everything looks crazy.
Music.
You know what I'm saying? Like, check me out. Check me out.
That's where we going.
Too fresh, too clean. Look at this shit.
Oh, this is crazy.
Look at this dude, say. I ain't got nothing on.
Good.
Check it out. Look at Bowie all the way up at the front. Oh! Oh! Yeah, I almost lost it, bruh. I almost lost it. Oh, yeah, I almost lost it again. I almost lost it again. Oh. Yo. Look at the footprints, man. Like, what? Come on, dog. Can't even see their house, man. This shit's fucking crazy. Where the heat at? Fucking melt this shit. This shit is fucking ridiculous, bro. I can't even pay attention to the camera right now. I gotta fucking walk. Oh, bitch. Huh. Fuck. This nigga is knee deep in snow. Look at that.
Don't drop that nigga phone, you know.
Oh, no. We still don't know where the motherfucking sidewalk yet. You know what I'm talking about? You think you're on the sidewalk, but I don't know. Oh, I almost got that shit. Fuck. I almost got you. Okay. This is when. Fight, nigga. Fight it. Yeah. Let's go. We good now.
Yeah. See, niggas? All you gotta do, put a little bit more effort. Oh!
Yeah. Yo. I bust my ass.
It took us 3 minutes to get out of this shit.
Exactly. Niggas is scared to get out the house.
On 3.
We doing it like this on purpose. Cause you know what? How y'all doing?
How y'all doing? Happy snow day.
We want to show y'all niggas that when we do make it,
This is what's important.
it ain't cause we ain't try. It ain't cause somebody helped us. It ain't cause somebody got payola off. It's cause we grinding, nigga. We really grinding for real.
Fucking right, nigga.
This shit mean a lot, man. You know what I mean?
Fuck all that fame and all that shit, bro. It's more important than that.
Yeah.
This is a movement. This is a movement. You know what I'm saying? Y'all need to get down.
Look at this shit. Y'all, some of y'all ain't, oh! Some of y'all ain't never seen nothing like this before. Y'all see this? Would you walk to the studio in this?
Look at this car, nigga.
Hey, real talk.
This car.
Look at the car. Look at this whip. This is a car.
That's a fucking car.
Y'all see this?
It's not a mountain of snow.
This is a car.
God damn.
That shit look like a mountain of snow.
Yo,
Come on,
real
man.
talk. If that wasn't me, I probably wouldn't walk either.
No doubt.
Yo.
I ain't even gonna front, but it's about grinding, baby. Grind season, man. 24 hours. Niggas in the V, no P, nigga. Power Road, a.k.a. Lil Boom. Y'all niggas know what it is.
Yeah, man,
Up here in
big
Maryland, nigga. I caught the bus up here, Greyhound, 7 hours, nigga. 7 hours. That's no lie. 7. And I'm here in a fucking blizzard. About to walk to the studio, nigga. Laptop and all, nigga. We getting it in, nigga.
Fucking
Get your
right,
motherfucking weight up, not your hate up, nigga.
Right up.
2010, baby.
What up, Mississippi? What up, Louisiana? You know what I'm talking about? What
Yeah.
it is? Yeah,
Out
right,
here with
nigga.
your
Sucker
boy.
boy up in this shit. Fuck out of here, man. Where I hit at? Where the fuck is
Oh!
bust my ass out here, dog. Fuck. That's what's up, though. That's what it's about, though, baby. You know what I'm saying? I'm up here for a reason, man. Purpose. Everybody got a reason and a purpose, and this is mine, dog, and it's music. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna keep on pumping it out, feeding everybody, yo. Catering to the public. That's what it's about, man.
Yeah.
Protocol 2010, nigga.
Yeah. How you stopping, P?